Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off YouTube autoplay on your mobile device. If videos keep playing automatically after the current one ends, this simple setting will help you stop it and take full control of your YouTube experience. Step 1. Open the YouTube applications. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version for the newest settings layout in 2026. Step 2. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap the U or profile icon. This will open your account and personalization menu. Step 3. Now tap the settings gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the video and audio preferences section. Tap on playback to open playback related settings. Step 5. Find the option called autoplay next video. Tap the toggle switch beside it to turn the feature off. Once disabled, YouTube will no longer automatically play recommended videos after the current video ends. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful YouTube tips and mobile tricks videos.